Most people don't realize this. Every time they trade or invest, they're often paying hidden or unnecessary charges without even knowing it. But at Tradejini, our mission from day one has been simple. Keep costs low, keep the platform transparent, and keep traders in control. Hi, my name is Bhavna, and in this video, I'll show you how you can open your Tradejini CubePlus account right from your phone, quick and effortless. But before we get into the steps, let me show you everything you get the moment you open an account with us and why CubePlus is built the way it is. When you open a Tradejini account, you don't just get a trading platform. You get access to a complete ecosystem designed for speed, precision, and smart investing. CubePlus is our flagship platform built for serious traders and smart investors. You get real-time market data with lightning-fast execution, advanced charts with multiple time frames, Scalper Mode perfect for scalping and momentum trades, dozens of technical indicators, price alerts so you never miss a breakout, seamless trading across equity, F&O, commodities, ETFs and bonds all in one place. Smart order management plus margin insights to help you trade confidently. And here's the best part. If you invest in mutual funds, you pay 0% commission on all direct mutual funds through Tradejini. Your money goes fully into your investment, not into hidden distributor commissions. We also believe that trading gets better when traders get smarter. That's why we built Jiniversity, our education hub where you will find simple lessons, market concepts, tools, strategies, and beginner-friendly explanations to help you understand the markets step by step. So now that you know what to get with Tradejini and why CubePlus is built the way it is, let me walk you through how to open your free Demat account in just 5 minutes. To start with the process, keep all the required documents ready, like the Aadhaar details, your PAN card details, bank details, financial details, and the nominee details. Once you have kept all the required documents handy, go to Play Store in your mobile, search for CubePlus by Tradejini, install the app. Once the installation is done, open the app and you will see the CubePlus by Tradejini interface. On the CubePlus by Tradejini interface, click on Sign Up. Once you have kept all the required documents handy, tap on Open your free Demat account. Enter your 10-digit mobile number and the OTP you have received to your number. Next, enter your email ID and the OTP you have received. Now you are forwarded to the DigiLocker verification. Enter your Aadhaar number and the captcha you can see. Enter the 6-digit DigiLocker PIN. Now give access to the details such as Aadhaar and PAN card. Once this is done, your DigiLocker verification is complete. Now you're directed back to the CubePlus app where you have to upload your PAN card details. Upload a current photo of your PAN card. Once the PAN card upload is successful, you're asked to verify your PAN card details. Verify your PAN card details and click on Next. Now you can select your trading segment. Toggle on the trading segment you require, equity, F&O or commodities. The next step is the bank statement verification. You have two different options, easy upload and manual upload. We suggest you to go with the easy upload. Enter your mobile number and enter the OTP you have received your mobile number. Your bank statement verification begins now. Once the data sharing is done, select the bank account linked to your mobile number. The next step is the UPI verification. Select your convenient UPI platform. Now you are taken to the UPI app and verified by depositing 1 rupee into your Demat account from your linked bank account. Once the UPI verification is done, you are directed back to the CubePlus interface. Select your trading and investing experience, your marital status, your occupation. If you are a politically exposed person, select the option. Select your occupation. Now pick your trading style and asset class which you are interested in. Here the app asks for your father name. Enter your father name or your spouse name. Or in case of any unfortunate incident, all your investment fund will be transferred to your nominee. So enter the nominee details and the required documents. Click on Next. After confirming the nominee details, the app asks for a self-verification process. For your self-verification, upload a current selfie of yours. After successfully uploading your selfie, use your fingers and put a sign on the screen, and your self-verification process is done. You have reached the final stage, which is the Aadhaar e-signing process. Agree to all the terms and conditions and enter the OTP you have received to your registered mobile number. Once the Aadhaar e-signing process is done, your free Demat account has been successfully created. You will receive all the login credentials to your email and you can start your trading journey with Tradejini. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Tradejini YouTube channel and share it with your friends who want to create a free Demat account.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities are quoted as an example and not as a recommendation.